Over the past 2 decades, Africa has emerged as a global leader in mobile payments, transforming the continent's financial landscape in ways few could have predicted. In regions where traditional banking infrastructure is limited or inaccessible, mobile payment solutions have enabled millions of people, many for the first time, to send, receive, and store money digitally. What makes the African mobile payments ecosystem so unique is that it did not evolve as an extension of traditional banking, but rather as an alternative to it. In countries where rural communities are widespread and bank branches are scarce, mobile phones have become powerful financial tools. In this video, we'll explore how mobile payments work in Africa, the technologies and business models driving them, key players, regulatory frameworks, challenges, and why the rest of the world is paying close attention to Africa's digital finance revolution. 1. The foundation: why mobile payments took root in Africa. To understand the rise of mobile payments in Africa, it's important to recognize the foundational challenges. Low banking penetration. In many African countries, only a fraction of the population had access to traditional banking services. Cash-based economies. The majority of day-to-day transactions were conducted in cash, creating vulnerabilities and inefficiencies. The intersection of these factors created the perfect environment for mobile-based financial solutions to flourish, not as a luxury, but as a necessity. 2. What are mobile payments? Mobile payments in Africa refer to the ability to perform financial transactions using a mobile phone. This includes sending and receiving money, paying for goods and services, accessing loans or savings accounts, and withdrawing cash from agents. These services can be delivered through USSD, unstructured supplementary service data, for feature phones or mobile apps for smartphones. Unlike mobile banking in the West, which is typically tied to an existing bank account, many mobile payment services in Africa operate independently of traditional banks, relying instead on mobile network operators, MNOs, and agent networks. 3. The technology behind mobile payments. There are 2 primary models through which mobile payments work in Africa. A. USSD-based services. B. Smartphone applications. 4. The role of mobile network operators, MNOs. In Africa, mobile network operators play a central role in delivering financial services. Unlike in many parts of the world, where banks lead fintech innovation, African MNOs have been the primary force behind mobile money. 5. M-Pesa, the pioneer of mobile money. Launched in 2007 by Safaricom, a subsidiary of Vodafone, M-Pesa is widely regarded as the most successful mobile money service in the world. How it works: users register for an M-Pesa account linked to their phone number. They deposit money into their mobile wallet through agents, often local shops or kiosks. Funds can then be sent instantly to another user via SMS or USSD. Recipients can withdraw cash at another agent or use the balance to pay bills, shop, or transfer funds. M-Pesa's success has inspired similar services across the continent, such as MTN Mobile Money, Momo, Opay, Airtel Money, and Orange Money. 6. Agent networks, the human infrastructure. The scalability of mobile money in Africa is largely dependent on vast agent networks, individuals or small businesses that facilitate cash in and cash out. 7. Challenges and limitations. Despite its many successes, the mobile payment sector in Africa still faces notable challenges. Fraud and scams, social engineering attacks targeting low literacy users are common. Digital literacy. Many users need more education on how to use mobile financial services safely and effectively. 8. The future of mobile payments in Africa. Looking forward, mobile payments in Africa are expected to evolve in several directions: smartphone adoption, continued growth will fuel app-based innovation and richer services. Digital credit and savings, data-driven microloans and savings plans are gaining traction. QR code payments, especially in urban areas, QR codes are becoming a popular method of merchant payment. Crypto and blockchain, While still early, some fintechs are exploring blockchain for faster, cheaper remittances. Africa's mobile payment sector is not just catching up, it's shaping the global conversation on what financial inclusion and innovation look like in practice. In conclusion, mobile payments in Africa are a striking example of how necessity can drive innovation. In a continent where traditional financial infrastructure failed to reach many, mobile phones have become the foundation of a new, inclusive financial system. Through a combination of simple technology, adaptable regulation, and human-centered design, Africa has turned mobile payments into a tool for empowerment, connecting families, supporting businesses, and enabling economic participation on a scale once thought impossible. For the rest of the world, there is much to learn from Africa's mobile money revolution. It's a story not just of technology, but of resilience, creativity, and the power of thinking differently. Thank you for watching this video via AfroConnect. Please let us know what you think via the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to AfroConnect, like and share this post before you leave.
So, let's talk about mobile payments in Africa. With focus on Nigeria, the one that really changed the game for me is OP. I don't know what they used or the strategy they used, but their marketing was top notch. They were able to get to every local business person in Africa, especially in Nigeria. Like, their transaction is so fast and seamless. 1, 2, it's so easy. 3, you don't need digital knowledge or you don't need to be a tech savvy to use OP. You just use your phone number that you normally use, and that's your account number as well. So it was so easy, and they integrated to the system so fast. That was the one that got to me. Even though there are a lot of other mobile payments like cheaper, like Grey, I use them all, but then OP is the one that got to me in terms of simplicity and efficiency. Yeah, OP really did change the game. OP deserves to be recognized, and I give them thumbs up for how they actually integrated and changed the game for many small businesses in Nigeria. So let me know what you think about mobile payments in your country, and if you have anything you want to share with me, you can send an email or drop a comment. I will respond to that. Thank you for watching this video. This is AK Plug for AfroConnect. See you next time.